Would you trust AI to teach your child? This matters because according to a recent survey conducted by UNICEF across 10 countries, up to 50% of the surveyed children used AI to help their homework or learning outcomes. So, is AI going to replace teachers? AI can explain difficult concepts, generate quizzes, translate languages, and give instant feedbacks. It can personalize learning in seconds. In fact, some institutes are experimenting with AI to support both students and teachers. It helps students think through problems while helping teachers save time on lesson planning and classroom preparation. But here is what AI still can't do. It can't notice a quiet child who is afraid to ask questions or a child who has lost its confidence. It can't build trust, empathy, or meaningful relationships. A teacher doesn't just teach a subject, a teacher shapes a person. So perhaps future isn't AI versus teachers. It's teachers using AI to spend less time on routine tasks and more time doing what humans do best: mentoring, motivating, and connecting with students. So, would you trust your child with an AI or rather see it work alongside teachers?